How would you like to be making money all while working from home? Sounds pretty sweet, right? Let's say you're just chilling on your couch and you're making money. Or maybe you're chilling outside of the park and you're still making money. Well, this may sound silly, but I am here to tell you guys that this could be your reality. And this is going to be the point of this video, as I'm going to be going through 5 different side hustles that you can do while working from home and where you guys can start earning some real money. I just want to say a quick disclaimer and say all of these side hustles have the potential to make real money, but with following the correct steps, of course. However, I don't guarantee that you guys are just gonna earn $1 million in the blink of an eye, or even overnight, but that would be pretty cool, wouldn't it? But sadly for everyone, that's just not a reality in any world. But the good news for you guys is I found 5 different side hustles that you can start today. And they all have the potential to turn into something bigger rather than just a side hustle as well. But these are all things that you can start doing to just start earning some money in your free time, while also not having to leave the house at all. But enough talking, let's just jump right into it. The first side hustle is, of course, my favorite, which is YouTube, which is the beautiful platform you are watching this video on. But as well as all of the entertainment on YouTube, it can become a very good side hustle as well as a full-time job. Now, there are so many different ways that you can pursue a YouTube channel and create one of your own. However, I'm going to break it down into 2 different paths that you could potentially take. The first path is going to be a personal YouTube channel. Now, this is a channel where you need to be comfortable seating yourself in front of a camera like I am now and presenting yourself to the world. There are a lot of different positive factors with having a personal YouTube channel. One of these positive factors could be people may potentially trust you more as you are being more vulnerable in a sense with showing your face. And then the second route with a YouTube channel that you could do would be a faceless YouTube channel. Now, this one is great because you do not have to show your face whatsoever. And you may think creating a YouTube channel always looks like getting in front of a camera and presenting yourself, but it really doesn't have to be. And you might be wondering, how do you even film a YouTube video this way? But I'm going to dive into that a little bit more. But before we get into actually creating your videos, the first step to any YouTube channel will be to pick a niche. And a niche is just going to be a subject that your channel is about. And there are so many different niches and sub-niches that your channel could revolve around. Some good examples of niches would be health, wealth, travel, finance, relationships, happiness, and etc. As there are so many different other niches that you guys could choose from, but those are just ones that are pretty popular. Now, whether you have a faceless YouTube channel or a personal YouTube channel, you might have to come up with a script. Of course, if your niche is going to be blogging and lifestyle, you might not have as much of a script, but you could have some ideas written down for an outline of your different videos that you're making. But when you have a script, that means you need to also have a video idea. To find some different video ideas, you can simply just search up your niche on YouTube. For example, the niche of my channel could be considered as finance, as I am teaching about different ways to make money online. So if I was looking for video ideas, I should simply search for finance videos. And then you just want to see what videos and titles and thumbnails are getting the most views. So if I see a lot of videos popping up that are how to make money online, and let's say these videos have around 500,000 views, well then this might be a good video idea to pursue. And then once you have this video idea, you need to sit down and actually write this script. And you can do this by making keynotes of popular topics and subjects that these videos that you have found on YouTube talk about. Such as if you just see a lot of people talking about the same thing. For a finance channel, let's say we see a lot of people talking about how to make money with TikTok. Then this could be a good idea to note within your videos as well. A bonus tip would be to look at the popular comments in the comment sections of these videos that you're researching and see if there is a common question that people are asking over and over, or maybe just a good question that needs an answer. You could answer these questions within your own videos. And then I would suggest you make your scripts around 1,000 to 2,000 words, as this will make your videos a little bit longer. And we do this for a reason, as once you get monetized and your videos are longer in length, that means you can put more ads throughout your videos. And now once you have your script, it is time to record. Now this could look different depending on what type of channel that you have. You could talk through your script in front of a camera like I am doing now, or you could compile stock footage and pair it with a voiceover of you reading through your script and then just edit that all together. And this is for if you just don't want to show your face. You could even create a Google slideshow and scroll through the slides and talk about each slide with your script, and then record this with a software like the OBS Studio. And now the next steps are to compile your videos, your photos, or your voiceovers, or your slideshows. And once you edit that all together, then you have a video. And I will also talk about some free video editing softwares later in this video if you're interested. Now it is time to make your thumbnail for your video. And making a thumbnail is easy with a free website called Canva. And again, you can get thumbnail ideas from YouTube as well. It is important to keep wording to a minimum when creating thumbnails, and you want to make sure that it catches somebody's eyes, as this is what reels your viewers in after all. And once you've done this, you can simply upload it to YouTube. But you want to make sure to utilize keywords and research what keywords are doing well at this point of time. So make sure to take advantage of that as well. Using the correct titles and descriptions and wordings and different tags when uploading your videos can help your channel, meaning it can improve your chances of gaining more traction and views. Another great thing about a YouTube channel is the ability to turn it from a side hustle into a full-time gig for yourself. So it could be something that you start doing for fun, but then it could potentially get more serious as well. And this is possible by simply just following the correct steps. I have a really good video on YouTube later on in this video if you guys are interested in starting your own YouTube channel, so make sure to stay tuned. Now we just talked about YouTube channels and how great they are, but the video editing world is also very important, as it can be a huge factor in how well our videos perform online. Which brings me into the next side hustle, which is going to be editing videos. Why do different creators hire video editors? Well, this can be for a multiple of different reasons. Maybe they just don't have enough time as their workload is getting bigger and bigger when their channel is getting more traction and more views and just more work to do overall, so they would rather hire somebody else to edit these videos. Or maybe some creators just don't necessarily enjoy videos on their own, so they would rather hire somebody professionally to do this. Or maybe somebody might just not know how to edit a video at all, so they would rather hand it over to somebody else. But I would also like to throw in that you do not necessarily have to be a professional video editor to actually edit videos. In fact, you could potentially know nothing about video editing, but it could still be a possible side hustle for you. And I say this because with our beautiful friend called YouTube, there are hundreds and thousands of video editing tutorials out there for you guys to watch. And there are so many different free video editing softwares to help you get started. Some really good apps and softwares would include CapCut, which you can get on your computer or your phone, or if you have Apple products, you could utilize iMovie. Power Director even has an app, and there are so many others out there. You can do some research on Google and find out which ones that you like the best and which ones sound more appealing than others. And you can even download some and play around with them and figure out what you personally like. My favorite free editor is personally CapCut, but in my opinion, the free version works just fine when starting out with editing. So you could list your different services of editing videos on places such as Upwork and Fiverr, and people will just simply hire you to edit their videos. Now the next side hustle is going to be Etsy. I personally love Etsy, and I've been researching a bunch of different ways to start up your own business through them. There are so many different platforms to sell things online, such as Mercari is a great one as well that I personally use, and you can use it to just sell really anything, whether it be clothes or shoes that don't fit you anymore or different books that you've already read. But Mercari is just a great place that you can use to declutter your own space. However, Etsy is particularly unique as you create your own products to sell, rather than just reselling old products. Etsy also has a vast majority of different things that you can sell through them, as you can sell t-shirts, mugs, plates, greeting cards, paintings, and just so many more products. And really just anything you can potentially think of. However, if you're thinking you just do not have the ability or patience to create your own products to sell, then the next side hustle might be for you. To get started with your own shop on Etsy, you can simply visit their website and then scroll down to the bottom, and you will see something to click that says Sell on Etsy. And then once you create your account, you can decide what type of products that you want to sell. Like I said, there are so many different products to choose from, so it could feel overwhelming at first. But I'm here to brainstorm with you guys a little bit as I've come up with some ideas that you could use. Like I said before, you could create custom t-shirts or mugs or paintings for people to hang on their walls. Some other ideas would include jewelry, stickers, craft supplies, notebooks, bookmarks, and etc. But you can also sell digital products on Etsy as well, and this could be nice if you don't want to deal with an inventory or actually creating these products. And these types of products could maybe mean digital artwork, different printables for people to print at home, cards for people to print, invoice templates, and so many other things as well. The possibilities here could be endless. And our fourth side hustle is going to be promoting other people's products. Now this one is specifically good if you have a platform to promote things on. Affiliate marketing is a term for teaming up with somebody's company to promote their products. Now why would you want to promote somebody else's product? Well, this is because you get a commission for every sale that you make promoting this product. The affiliate marketing model is great as it can bring an income for two different sources here, which could be you and the merchant selling this product. Affiliate marketing is especially appealing as you do not need to come up with an idea for a product to sell, such as the Etsy side hustle that I talked about. There are so many different affiliate marketing programs that you guys can join. And once you join these programs, you get a link and then you promote this link to a traffic source of your choice. And this could be maybe Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. Some different affiliate marketing programs could include Amazon, ClickBank, Rakuten, and more. However, to earn a little bit more money here, you could promote different high-ticket products. And this could be a product such as courses on Digistore. And this would be a good idea because these courses sell for more money rather than promoting a mug or a t-shirt. And promoting a product with a higher value is beneficial to you as your commission would be higher, meaning you would be making more money from each sale that you make. My brother even has an affiliate link for his course to mastery and monetization, so you guys could even become an affiliate for his course. Now we're getting into our fifth side hustle, which is going to be selling your own course. Now you can make money becoming an affiliate for other people's courses, or if you have a little extra time to create your side hustle, I would like to suggest creating your own digital product to sell online. And I would specifically recommend selling your own course. And the good news with creating your own digital course, as you make this course once and then you can sell it forever. And then you can add edits here and there to improve your course over time, but the base of it could stay the same and you could sell it for a long time as well. And my brother Matt actually sells his own online courses on a place called Digistore 24. And his course is called To Mastery and Monetization, like I said, and it is a great example of a digital course. And it dives into how to create your own faceless YouTube channel, and he shares a lot of insight as well with being a YouTuber himself. All that you need to start an online course is first just some knowledge that you would like to share to the world. And if you're thinking, Kayla, I don't have enough knowledge, I don't know what I would like to share to people, I'm here to tell you that you definitely do have stuff to share. And with the internet at our fingers, if we ever get stuck with a topic, we can simply just Google it. You can almost create an online course about really anything, such as cooking different recipes or teaching different languages to people, and maybe how to make money online, such as my brother's course. There are really endless possibilities here. And a course is essentially a collection of videos, and these can look however you really want them to look, whether it be faceless videos or you creating a slideshow or you sitting in front of a camera and talking through steps. But the main theme here is to just teach people something, whether this be cooking or about finance or maybe how to eat healthy. Courses are especially a great digital product to sell as they have a higher selling point than other digital products, meaning courses can be typically pretty high in value. Some great places to sell your course would include Digistore24, which is where my brother has his, Udemy, Kajabi, and a lot more. However, I would like to note that some of these websites may take a higher percentage of each sale that you make than others, and that is just something to be aware of. Now, I specifically picked all of these different side hustles for a reason, as they could all work together. All of these side hustles are businesses that you can pair with other side hustles. For example, you could promote your Etsy shop through your YouTube channel, or maybe you could pair your YouTube channel with affiliate marketing, or you could start with promoting other people's products with affiliate marketing, and then later on down the line, you could create your own digital products for people to grab affiliate links for, such as making your own course and promoting it, or maybe having a YouTube channel paired with an online course. But there are so many different possibilities with just these 5 side hustles that I went through today. Now, if you want a really great video on how to start up your own faceless YouTube channel and succeed with it, make sure to click on this video right next to me. And this is a really insightful video, as it is almost like a free course. It goes over so many great tips and tricks, such as the best niches to start your YouTube channel under, what type of content to create within those niches, how to monetize your channel and take it to the next level, and just how to make as much money as potentially possible with a faceless YouTube channel. Make sure to check it out, and we'll see you guys there.